Here we have a set of 10-ton head and tail stocks with adjustable height on both and powered rotation on both head and tail stock, synchronized, as you can see from the gearboxes on the top. We have a 3-metre rail base, can be moved in and out manually. You see the, not quite sure about centre height of 2 metres. Pendant control with variable speed. Greaser. These are supplied without the oil in the box, so as these will be being laid down for shipping, oil must be put into the boxes before machines are turned on. More can be seen on westermans.com. Thank you for looking.